Let me show you how to install Jupyter Notebook and create your first notebook. First, go to your browser and open this website. I'll have the link in the description and you can click the link from the description. Now, just click on this download and your download for Windows will start. Let's wait until the download is complete. Once the download is complete, click on open file and your installation wizard will open. So now our installer is open. Click on next, click on I agree. You can install either for any user on your PC or just for yourself. I'll keep the just me option selected. Click next again, and this is where your Anaconda will be installed. If you want to change, you can click on browser and choose any other directory, but I'll keep this default directory selected. Now click on next and click on next again, and your installation will start. Finally, our Anaconda installation is completed. Now click on next, click on next again, and you can keep this launch Anaconda navigator selected. Just uncheck this and click finish. Now your Anaconda navigator will open. So as you can see, our Anaconda navigator is opening. So once the Anaconda navigator is open, you will see the screen. You can just close this and no need to sign up. And now you will see all these options here. There are a bunch of applications like VS Code, Anaconda Notebooks, Jupyter Lab, and Jupyter Notebook. So to just launch Jupyter Notebook, just click on this launch and your Jupyter Notebook will open. So now our Jupyter Notebook is open. You can just click on new and select this Python 3 IPY kernel, and your new notebook is being created, and we have our Jupyter Notebook now open. Now here you can write print hello world, and you can just run this using Control Enter. Now hello world will be printed. So the P is capital, P should be small. Hello world is printed. Now you can create another cell by going to cell and choosing run cell and select below, and a new cell is created. Here you can type a equals to 4 plus 5. Now a shortcut to run this and go to a new cell below is Alt Enter. Now you can print a, and let's click Alt Enter again. So 9 is printed and we are in a new cell. So this is how you can install Anaconda in Jupyter Notebook, and you can create your Jupyter Notebook like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.